Hey guys, Scott here. Today we're going to do an unboxing, review, and test of this M650 wireless microphone by AnkerWork. And in all transparency, they sent me this for free to test it out, but it won't affect my review in any way. So let's jump into it.
Okay, so I can open this up and see what we get inside here. Right. Perfect. Let's see here. All right. Very cool. Comes with a nice case here. I like it. Awesome. And let me see here. And inside the case, all right, that's actually, looks like that's the charging station, everything all in one. That is really cool. And of course, comes with some directions here. And what do we have in this box here? All right, let me see. All kinds of stuff here. Looks like some charging cords and some extra microphone pieces. What do we have in here? All right, some additional cords as well. And not sure what we have in here. Oh, very cool. Looks like different covers for the microphones. And then, of course, another manual here. And let me see, we have one more box right here. And inside this, oh wow, very nice case, very cool case to put it in. And then also looks like a little bit, some directions here, and scan the QR code for some detailed user info. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge it up and do a little bit of research on it, and then we're going to test this microphone out.
Okay, so I've charged everything up, which is really cool. You just plug the charger in here, it charges, and everything is right there, ready for you to go. So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to mute this microphone here. And what I'm going to do is show you how easy this is to connect, and I'm going to keep talking so you can hear the difference in video quality. So what I do is I take this, and it has a couple different adapters for whether you have an iPhone or an Android, and I plug that in the bottom there. Now what it has is my microphone sensitivity right there on the front of the screen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in here, and then I am going to put this microphone right here on my shirt. 1 second here. All right, so the microphone is on my shirt, and right now we're recording that video, and at the same time I am going to start this video so you can tell the difference in sound in how this sounds now that I have a microphone. And after testing this, I can tell you this microphone is amazing. The sound is so much better than just your standard iPhone, and you can adjust literally everything within the app. So I am really happy with the M650 microphone.